Okay, so what are you working on today, AJ? Well, just got done doing that manifold. Now that thing is bloody hot off the press. But there you go. I just put the badge on. But she is another 2-barrel, and then I'm doing these right now, which are these are already done. I already welded it on, and it's for the port injection. But I need to go inside there, as you can see, and kind of clean up, and then basically sharpen that divider right there. And basically with the port injection, this is 2 ports. So you're going to have 1 injector per side, 1, 2. And then you're still going to have 2 injectors up in the throttle body. This is typically on big cam applications or big heads or maybe turbo, something like that. It helps cure that so that it doesn't have to carry the fuel so far. So you can see this would go from here, straight into the intake port pretty quick. Yep, there goes the ambulance. Ambulance! Oh, that's an undercover. So basically, I'm just going to clean these up right now. You can see it's kind of crappy looking in there. Really sharp drill bit, huh? All right, so let me port these and move on to the next thing.